Hey guys, it's Mian, and this is Beauty with Me. Ever since I got my zits zapped, I want to say a year and a half ago at Dermalogica, I've been on the hunt for another facial that is as good for acne. I found one. It's at a spa called Skin Laundry, which has locations all around the US, and the treatment is called the Laser and Light Facial. It uses lasers to combat things like acne, inflammation, redness, brighten the overall complexion, and it only takes 15 minutes. I went last week, so I'm gonna show you the entire process. I'll let you know what I thought, but first, you have to make sure you're subscribed. Down below, you know the drill, red button, hang out with me every Monday, 11 a.m. is Beauty with Me Day. So without further ado, let's go to the spa. I was a little bit nervous to go get this treatment because I was afraid that it would hurt or sting. But as soon as I got there, my nervousness just went away as soon as I met my nurse, Elise.
Hi Mian, welcome to Skin Laundry. Hi. My name is Elise. I'll be the nurse performing your 15-minute laser facial today. So what we do here at Skin Laundry is a two-part treatment. The first is a YAG laser and the second is IPL, which stands for Intense Pulse Light. The laser will be the first portion where we'll do 2 passes of your face. What that does is it targets pigment, so it will help break up any hyperpigmented areas, and it's also going to deep clean your pores. So anybody who has acne, breakouts, clogged pores, blackheads, it's going to vaporize. During the laser portion of the treatment, you'll feel a little bit of heat and prickling. If you'd like a break at any time, just let me know, but you shouldn't have any discomfort.
Amazing. Well, I can't wait to start. After Elise told me what to expect, what it would feel like, she brought me to the treatment table and I removed any residual makeup with a cleansing wipe. Then came the fun part.
While I'm doing the laser treatment, you may smell something. This is not your hair or skin burning, it's just the vapors getting cleaned out.
I smell it.
You smell it already? Okay, good. So that's the smell of success. That means your skin is getting deeply cleaned.
This one, I'm not gonna lie, didn't feel great. Felt like prickling. I don't think that I would have been able to withstand having that laser on my face for much more than like 10 minutes. So good thing the facial's only 15.
That was 1 pass. We'll do 2 passes. How are you doing?
Good.
Sometimes I can see stuff come up to the surface. I haven't really seen anything like that with you, but it is possible that wherever there is underlying congestion can come to the surface. If that happens, we call it purging, and it's just a natural part of the healing process. We recommend that if you do have any purging, you just come back in a few days for another treatment that will help clear it right up.
So once the first laser was done, Elise brought out the IPL machine.
I'll be applying some cold gel to your face. The gel is just a water-based ultrasound gel. It's going to keep your skin nice and cool, and the purpose is to help evenly spread the light, so it acts as a conductor for the IPL treatment. You will feel a little bit of heat, and mostly you're just going to observe a very bright light.
Whoa. So what does this one do in comparison to the first?
It's also targeting redness and inflammation, and it leaves your skin with a bit of a tightened feeling. So after the treatment, you should feel tighter, brighter, glowing, clean. They both deliver light energy, but they're delivering the energy in different wavelengths.
How often is it recommended to get this treatment?
This treatment is mild enough and safe enough to do every other day. Most people come between every 7 and 10 days. And that's it. And now I'll apply a little bit of toner.
Ooh.
And I'll apply a little bit of daily moisturizer with SPF. How does your skin feel?
It feels good. I'm excited to see what it
You
looks
look
like.
great. Take a look.
Oh, my skin looks a lot less red. Is that just
Yes,
me?
it definitely looks calmer, brighter. It's healthy and clean.
So what should I do now that we're done?
Our aftercare is very simple because the treatment is so mild and safe. We recommend that you reapply sunscreen every 2 hours. If you do any manual exfoliation, like a Clairsonic brush or scrubs, just wait until tomorrow for that.
Okay. Does it make your skin a little bit more sensitive to that?
It can, and we just don't want to over exfoliate because your skin has just been exfoliated, so we want to just give it time.
It's been a week since I've gotten the treatment and my skin has been really smooth. The makeup has gone on really well over it. I think that for the time that it takes to commit to the facial, it's like a no-brainer. Skin Laundry offers the first facial free, so why not go check it out, see if you like it. Then if you want to get another facial, it's $65, or you can get bundles for a slightly reduced price. Now, if you can't make it to a Skin Laundry or you simply don't want to drop the cash, which I don't blame you, there are a few things that you can do at home that can give you a similar result, although they are not going to be a laser. So Neutrogena makes a mask, and it's called the Light Therapy Acne Mask. Now it uses blue and red light to target acne-causing bacteria. It is super easy to use. It turns on, and you just sit tight, really, for 10 minutes. It will automatically turn off, and it's essentially your mask, but you don't have to wash it off. So you just chill, sit on the couch. The second is much more traditional, but you know how much I love a good exfoliating mask. This is a San Francisco-based brand. It's called Monastery, and this is the exfoliating glycolic gel. What's nice about it is it's a very, very gentle mask. I wouldn't say it's the same as the light and laser facial, but it does give you that instant brightening effect. Because it has the rose water in it, it is very soothing, so I don't tend to get any redness from it. All around, a goodie. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have tried this facial or if you are going to try it, please let me know down below. And if there's anything else you'd like me to try on Beauty With Me, please don't hesitate to drop it in the comments as well. See you next week. Bye. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Let me know what you want to see next on Beauty With Me in the comments down below, and click here to subscribe to Refinery29 and click here to watch another video. Bye.